Hey, happy Friday, you guys. Today is the day that I'm announcing the winner of this beautiful red truck basket. It's not necessarily one of a kind, it is only two of a kind though. There's this one that I'm giving away and the one that I am going to keep for myself. I know some of you were saying that even if you don't win, you would like to buy a basket like this. And my dad he's a hobbyist. He's doing this because he loves making the stuff. He loves coming up with the projects and kind of doing things on his own time. So he's not really in a position where he's going to be wanting to accept orders, but is very flattered that you guys like his work so much. And you guys had a lot of really kind comments for him on my video, and I encourage you to go over to his videos and leave those comments for him to see as well. Not just for him to see them, but also it's good for the engagement on his channel, you know, algorithm and all that. So I encourage you to go do that. And also, as of the time that this is posting, there is a really cute little video that he has posted, the outtakes of him making this. And when I saw it, I could not stop giggling. It was so cute. So I recommend you going to see that after you finish watching this. But, you know, not to keep you guys waiting any longer, what I have done is all of the comments, all of the entries, I had a bot scrape them, put them into an Excel spreadsheet, and you know those things have like numbered lines, right? So out of all of the eligible entries, I had a random number generator pick a number, and that number line is the winner. And today's winner is Pam Boulet. I think I'm saying that right. It is Pam Boulet. I'll put that up on the screen for you here. Pam, congratulations. You're gonna get this really cool basket. If you will just email me, hello.rachel.andorfer@gmail.com. That is right here. And also in the description if you want to copy and paste it. Just email me with your address where you would like for it to be sent, and I will try to get that sent out to you as soon as possible. Now, if for some reason Pam cannot receive the prize, like for some reason she doesn't live in the US or doesn't see this video, never claims the prize, something like that, I will be choosing a new winner. But that probably won't happen, and I'm probably going to be getting a really excited email from Pam very soon. Thank you guys all so much for entering, for supporting me and my channel through all this time. 10,000 subscribers is a lot, and I am so grateful, so just blown away by your support. So thank you so much, and I look forward to seeing you guys again very soon in the next garden tour. But until then, happy gardening!